Taking a moment, if you're seated, just to make sure that you're feeling fully supported through your spine. And if you're lying down, that you can really give the weight of your body to the space beneath you. Closing your eyes, bringing your awareness to everything inside of you. Bringing your awareness to everything inside of you. Bringing your awareness to your breath, to the inhale and the exhale. Allowing yourself to drop into a rhythm of breathing that works for you. There's no right way to breathe. Just allowing yourself to drop into a rhythm of breathing that feels good to you. And now I'd like to invite you to connect to each and every bone inside of you. I'd like to invite you to connect to your bones, the very framework of who you are in your physical form, each and every bone inside of you. And now I'm going to use the word minerals, and I'd like you to trust that your soul knows exactly what to do with this information, so there's no need to overthink it. I'd like you to connect to the minerals within your bones, allowing your soul to do the work, connecting to the minerals within your bones. And now drawing up fresh minerals from nature, from all that is good, all that is pure, all that is of the light and of love. Drawing up fresh minerals into each and every bone inside of you. Drawing up fresh minerals into your bones with intention. Allowing your soul to do the work. Receiving fresh minerals into your bones with intention. Inviting strength into your bones. Allowing your soul to do the work, inviting strength into your bones. Inviting resilience into your bones. Strength and resilience into each and every bone inside of you with intention. Breathing life into your bones. Breathing life into your bones. And now very gently returning your awareness to your breath. And taking your time only when you feel ready to. You can open your eyes. And come back into the room.